Round 5, ready to blast off.
3, 2, 1, blast off!
This space shuttle is so squishy.
Look, it's the sun.
Oh my god, it's so hot in here. It's more than 5,000 degrees here.
Let's get out of here. Look, Mercury.
It's so small. I love the colours.
Look, Venus.
It's named after the Roman god of beauty. Is that a volcano?
Look, Earth.
That's our planet. It's so beautiful.
It's the only planet with oceans.
Look, Mars. It's so dusty.
I can see the Mars rover.
Wow, Jupiter is so big.
It has huge moons.
Whoa, look at Saturn. It's so beautiful. Look at its rings.
It's a gas giant.
Wow, look at Uranus. It takes 84 years to orbit the sun. It's blue because of its gases.
Wow, Neptune.
It's named after the Roman god of the sea.
Because of the blue color.
Is that a shooting star? No, it's an asteroid, but it looks like a shooting star. What's that tiny planet?
It's not a planet, it's Pluto.
Wow, the moon.
There's no wind on the moon.
You can still see footprints on the surface. I think that's enough exploring for today.
I'm tired. Let's go home.
What about aliens?
There's no such thing. Or is there?
Ever since Room 5 have started learning about the solar system, really weird things have been happening in Scudamour and Small. I can't explain them. I don't know why, but really funny things have been happening everywhere.
During reading workshop, weird things have been happening. I can never find my copy.
It's very strange. Food from the basket keeps going missing.
It's lunchtime in room 5 and that food keeps going missing.
It's very weird.
Ever since the girls and boys in room 5 have been learning about the solar system, they've been acting so strange. Just take a look. And look over here. Dance. Dance. Yeah. Yeah.
Right to my face.
Okay. Now do your own dance moves now if I come round to you. And spread back there, guys. Go back so I can see y'all properly. And guys, try get in the... Move back from the board because I won't be able to see you dancing if you're too close. This is going to be ridiculous. Okay, and on the count of 3, when you can all see the camera, jump up in the air with your arms. 1, 2, 3. Whee!